Good morning, guys. So I am here in the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful city of Honolulu, Hawaii. I literally just woke up and it is so pretty outside. I'm staying here at my brother's place for a couple days, and from the guest bedroom you can literally just see the entire city. And so waking up and seeing this, like, the first thing, oh my guys, it's beautiful. Hawaii is known for its coffee, so I'm gonna stop and get coffee from one of my favorite places. I'm so excited. So I'm about to go down to the beach. I want to show you guys my bathing suit. I got this one from Zaful. I thought it was so cute. It fits like the whole vibe here. It's so early, so I'm looking outside right now at the ocean, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's like a ton of surfers out there. I've got my towel, my sunblock, my camera. Oh, I need my headphones, sunglasses, probably get my wallet if I'm gonna go get coffee. But I think that's everything I needed, so I'm gonna go ahead and head down. All right, I made it. Like 2 minutes later, I made it, y'all. Oh, the weather is perfect too. The sun's out. I got my little nanner. I'm gonna go ahead and give this coffee a try. Ooh. Oh, so nice out today, y'all. All right, so I'm back from the beach. I also went to the store just because I was kind of getting hungry and I literally have zero food, and I just went, like, I got a couple things I can just munch on today and first thing tomorrow morning, because there's no point in getting a bunch of food because I have to move like 20 minutes down the street tomorrow. I got a big old pineapple that I'm about to cut up and probably eat some of that. I got a papaya. Papayas here are so good, and you can like cut them in half and eat part of it and then save it for later. That's what I usually do. And then I also got just a couple of little kiwis. I got some kale, literally like 6 or 7 cucumber slices. And then in this little container, I have snap peas, cranberries, and a bunch of chia seeds. This is what a papaya looks like. So you have to go ahead and like take out the little beads. I don't know what would happen if you like accidentally ate one, but. All right, so I basically laid outside for collectively like 5 hours today, and the heat takes so much out of me. I really did not feel like doing any kind of workout, but of course you gotta get some like badass music. So Migos is always good.
Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like.
Okay, so it is at 3 o'clock. I'm having like a early dinner / late lunch. I didn't really eat anything after that fruit. I didn't really get hungry at all. And I'm still kind of not that hungry, but I definitely know I need to give my body something. I'm just gonna go ahead and put together all the salad stuff that I got today. And then I also cooked up a little bit of quinoa, and this stuff is so messy. I forgot how messy it is. Okay, and then for dressing, I usually just like to use a teeny tiny bit of olive oil, and then lemon juice for me is essential for any salad. Lemon is my favorite type of dressing, I would say, and it's convenient because it's actually pretty like healthy, you know, so. All right, and here's the finished product. So this is what it ended up looking like. I'm actually just making it look this pretty so I can take a photo of it. Definitely make sure you guys are following me on Instagram because I'm posting a ton of stuff on my Insta stories, just as far as like what I'm eating and where I am and that kind of thing. But yeah, so quinoa, cucumber, I have cranberries, chia seeds, and little snap peas all in a bed of kale with olive oil and lemon juice. Hi guys, so today is the next day, it's Saturday, and I'm gonna go ahead and just combine yesterday and today's footage together, just make this a little bit of a longer vlog. So I just got back from laying on the beach for like 3 hours. I'm kind of tired now, but I don't have any time to sleep because I have to go ahead and call my Uber. I am meeting my landlord at my apartment and I'm getting my keys. I am so excited. I have wanted to live alone for the longest time. I love having roommates, but I just think living alone for the summer is gonna be so much fun, and it's probably gonna teach me a lot, and I'm just really excited to have my own little space. So I am about to go do that right now. I'm probably gonna have like a quick bite to eat real quick. But yeah, I just wanna update you guys, and of course I will show you all around as soon as I get there. Okay, you guys, I made it. I'm here in my cute little apartment, and I could not be more excited. This place is gonna be so cute just for living in for a couple months, and I definitely think you guys are gonna enjoy the videos that I make in here. I will give you just a little bit of an overview, but I still have like a lot of setting up to do. I gotta put all my clothes away, and I'm gonna go get a little table for me to put my iMac on and just like do a couple other things like setting up. All right, so when you come in, I just have all my stuff. I threw it down as soon as I got in here. And I just have a little mirror and then my closet. And keep in mind, guys, I'm gonna do a full-on apartment tour. This is a studio, but I'm gonna do a full-on tour when I get all settled and everything like that. And then I just set up my iMac right there. I need to get some kind of little table to put it on. And then here's my little bed area. I really like the lights above it. I think that's a really cute touch. Little nightstand, this couch, which is also a pull-out sofa, which makes me excited because I have some friends coming out to visit me, so we can use this. One of my favorite things about this place is my balcony. I love the ocean view. I'm absolutely obsessed, so I'll show you guys. Out here, I just have a cute little table and chairs, some boogie boards, and some plants. And then over here, they were so nice, and they got me 2 new plants, they said, so thank you so much for that. My kitchen is so cute, you guys. I'm obsessed. It's gonna be so fun to make videos in here this summer. But it's really cute and small, but that's obviously all I need. I brought a little towel that has Cleo on it just because I miss her ass. But I got my Keurig, little stovetop. They were so nice and they left me a ton of snacks. Not only this, but they equipped like half the cupboards with food, which is awesome. They did not have to do that whatsoever. And then this is just all filled with dishes, my little fridge and my freezer down there, trash can, my sink. I already have dishes in there. Some cute little bar stools, and then I am about to go to the beach, so I just have some stuff that I'm gonna go ahead and bring with me there. And then also my cute little bathroom. It's so adorable. It's very simple, but this is what it looks like. And they were so sweet, and they once again included like shampoo and conditioner and then a ton of like cleaning supplies for me, so that was super sweet of them. Alright, so I am going to go ahead and end this vlog here, but before I go, I did just want to say something that has kind of been on my mind lately, especially for the past couple days since I got here. Obviously, like, I'm not showing you this apartment or any of these videos like to brag or anything like that, but I want to inspire you guys, and I want some girls, especially girls that are younger, to know I've been on YouTube for a very long time, and I remember years and years ago, just like, and this still happens, I feel like, to this day. You know, like if you're watching someone, their life or their videos and or something, and just a thought comes to your mind and you're like, why can't I have that? Or like, why can't I be lucky enough to have that? Or like, why is my life not like that? You know, I think we can all agree we've all felt that at some point. And just like, remember that everybody took their own path to get somewhere, if that makes sense. It's hard to explain the point I'm trying to get across, but basically I just want to remind you, like, if you're not in a very good place in life right now, it gets better. I think I can say I've been in points of life before when like I didn't really understand what people meant by it gets better, and now I do understand what it gets better means. And I just want to remind that to people in case you might be in that kind of like point in your life. It gets better, and I am in a very, very good place in life right now, and it feels damn good comparing it to, you know, a place I have been that has been very low. But also, if any of you guys ever need anyone to talk to, I answer like all my Instagram direct messages. That's why I'm always telling you guys, like, follow me on Instagram because I love talking to you. So if you're ever like at a point in life that like you feel like you need someone to talk to, literally DM me and like we can talk, girl. I have gotten to know so many of you guys just through DMs, and it's so much fun. I'm so lucky. I am so incredibly excited just for all the things that are gonna happen in this apartment this summer. The vibe in here is so good. It's so bright. I love this huge window, and I'm just very excited. Like, I could literally cry of happiness right now, which is kind of why I wanted to share that quick message with you. Also, by the way, last night I totally switched out my pearls for these cute little Hawaiian flowers, which I am totally digging. And after I turn off the camera from this video, I am actually gonna start filming a new video. I'm definitely gonna do some kind of like settling into my apartment video because I have to unpack all my stuff, and then I'm gonna go like grocery shopping and get like a couple things. So I wanna just do a separate video of all of that. So if you are excited for more Hawaiian videos, don't forget to click that notification bell so you get notifications when I upload. That'd be awesome. Before I leave, I'm just gonna give you guys one more look at the beautiful water here. It's such a nice day. All right, there it is. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for watching all the way until the end. I really appreciate that. If you are still watching this, comment aloe vera plant. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
I'm living my best life. I told y'all I'm living my best life. I made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons.